Hey everyone! Are you tired of answering the same customer support questions over and over again? It's like deja vu, but in the worst possible way. Your support team is drowning in tickets, and your customers are waiting forever for replies. Well, what if I told you there's a tool that can automate your customer support, respond 24/7, and even let you resell it as your own branded solution? Meet CX Genie. Today, we're diving deep into the CX Genie lifetime deal, and trust me, you don't want to miss this one. Let's explore how CX Genie works and why it's an absolute game changer. What is CX Genie? CX Genie is a no-code, AI-powered platform that acts like your always-on customer service agent. It responds to queries instantly, hands off complex issues to humans, and manages conversations across multiple platforms, all from one dashboard. No more overwhelmed support teams, no more missed inquiries, just smooth, efficient customer service on autopilot. And the best part? It's powered by GPT-4, so your chatbot sounds natural, not robotic. Trust me, once you start using CX Genie, you'll wonder how you ever survived without it. Don't miss out. Exclusive lifetime deal prices on AppSumo await. Now, let's talk about the deal because this is where things get exciting. Regular pricing? A hefty $300 and up. But AppSumo? Oh, they've got your back. CX Genie lifetime deal starts at just $79. And that's a one-time payment, no monthly fees, no hidden costs. Let's break down the plan so you can see what you're getting. License Tier 1, $79, normally $300. Offering 10,000 conversations per month, 50 documents for AI knowledge training, 20 chatbots, 5 team members. License Tier 2, $229, normally $600. Offering 30,000 conversations per month, unlimited document uploads, 50 chatbots, 20 team members, help desk included. License Tier 3, $459, normally $900. Offering 60,000 conversations per month, unlimited chatbots, documents, and team members, ticket management, form builders, and white label branding, product data sync with Shopify and WooCommerce. Check out the link in the description for full details. Hurry, this is a limited time offer, and prices may go up soon. 60-day money-back guarantee. Try it risk-free for 2 months. 5 most important features that make CX Genie special. AI-powered 24/7 customer support. Handles repetitive questions, so your team doesn't have to. Learns from your FAQs, documents, and live URLs. Seamless AI to human handoff. When the AI hits a tricky question, it instantly transfers the chat to a human. No weird, robotic dead ends. Multi-channel support from one dashboard. Manage all your conversations in one place. Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, Telegram, WordPress, Shopify, you name it. No-code automation workflows. Offload boring tasks like ticket creation, follow-ups, and routing. Use a drag-and-drop builder, no coding required. White label and custom branding. Want to resell CX Genie to clients? You can. Add your own branding and custom authentication. Who can benefit from CX Genie? Customer support teams, marketers, small business owners, e-commerce stores, agencies, SaaS startups, social media managers. If you run a business and handle customer inquiries, this tool is for you. Grab a 10% extra deal from AppSumo. Want to save even more? You can get an extra 10% off the CX Genie lifetime deal. Here's how. Visit the AppSumo CX Genie deal page, link in description. Look for the pop-up bar with a discount offer. Enter your email address to claim the deal. Use the same email when purchasing. Boom, extra savings unlocked. More savings, more money for coffee and snacks. Reviews that CX Genie lifetime deal on AppSumo get. Alright folks, this is one of the best AI-powered customer support deals we've seen. Check out the link in the description, explore the features, and grab the lifetime deal before it's gone. If you found this review helpful, hit that like button, share this video, and subscribe for more awesome deals and reviews. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.